Hello everyone, this is Baldwin with your weekly weather presentation for February the 18th through February the 25th, 2018. Our drought in Maryland has eased substantially since our last map release on Thursday, February 8th. Now on Thursday, February 15th, it was valid on Tuesday, February 13th at 7 a.m. So on the previous one, we had a severe drought running roughly along the I-95 corridor, the moderate drought roughly to Westminster, and then the abnormally dry contour up near Hagerstown. So since that heavy rainfall event, our drought has eased substantially. The current temperatures east of the Rockies, this was made as of 10 p.m. last night. So I'm sorry this is almost 24 hours old, but we were right near freezing in most areas. So the ridge and troughing over the next 7 days. This was yesterday, so we had a ridge yesterday. Today we have a looks like a ridge over the eastern half of the United States, except for a small trough axis. Heights are down just slightly below at normal in the New England states. And day 3, the blue line represents the difference between negative NAOs and positive NAOs. So this would be valid for tomorrow. A ridge persists over near the New England area, just slightly to the east of New York. Day 4 strengthens, stays in the same area. So this would be valid Tuesday. So that day, we are forecasting 72 for the high. Day 5, it moves slightly to the northeast and gets stronger. That's why we are forecasting 74, 76 for that day. Day 6, sorry, I have it wrong. Okay, I have it right now. Day 6, this would be Wednesday. We've still got a ridge. It goes down into Maryland. The ridge is centered over Ocean City. Day 7 shifts slightly to the northwest, weakens. Now Sunday. First off, it is expected to be near climatological average with highs from near 40 in Allegheny County and over the Blue Ridge and Catoctin Mountains to 49 in St. Mary's County. Suburbs north and west should be 42 to 44. Downtown Baltimore, southeast suburbs, and close Washington and Baltimore suburbs 44 to 47. No precipitation Sunday or Sunday night. Low Sunday night anywhere from near freezing in the Blue Ridge to 40 in St. Mary's and Calvert counties, and also in downtown Baltimore and D.C. High temperatures at this range is in close agreement with the GFS, so we're going to go with 45 for Baltimore, 43 for Westminster, 45 for D.C., 44 for College Park, 46 for BWI Marshall, and we'll be near 43 up in Hagerstown, Washington County. Low temperatures, same thing with models. 40 tonight, above average, 33 in Westminster, 35 in Frederick, 32 in Washington County up near Hagerstown, 34 in Allegheny County in Cumberland, and we could see around 41 in D.C. The precipitation amount. All precip was from Saturday. So disregard this map, there is no precip in the forecast today. Monday the 19th, President's Day. Precipitation moving towards the afternoon on Monday, but rain chances have gone down. Probability precipitation around 20%. That means that, and that was as of last night. So the probability precipitation's gone up to about 40 to 60%. Highs on Monday look to be anywhere from 42 in the Allegheny to 54 in St. Mary's. The metros look to be anywhere between 45 and 50. These highs will occur in the 11 p.m. hour since we will have rising temperatures area-wide. Can't provide a local map beyond 24 hours, so I will just show the GFS model forecast. Lows look to be in the morning 29 to 39. Now, high temperatures on Monday, slightly above average, around 50 down in southeast Maryland, or down in the southeast forecast area, which is St. Mary's County, and near 40 up in the Allegheny front. Low temperatures on Monday, near freezing, again, up there in the Alleghenies, and we're going to say near 40 in southeast Maryland, or in St. Mary's County. Precipitation on Monday, disregard the amounts. No precipitation is in the forecast on Monday. Tuesday, February the 20th, lows anywhere from 53 to 58, area-wide. Little variation due to warm front moving around 9 o'clock on Monday night. Highs will be warm, but short of the record. 76 for Baltimore and 78 for D.C. Highs in those areas 70 to 74, and in areas north and west 68 to 70, and in the suburbs of those areas 68 to 74. Near the base 64 to 69 due to the cooler waters. Tuesday no precip Tuesday or Wednesday, so this is going to be a joint forecast because Wednesday will be exactly like Tuesday, just a tick warmer. 73 to 79, depends on sunshine though. So if we don't get sunshine, expect to be in the low 70s. Highs will be in the 60s for those folks in the near the bay. 75, 79 with sunshine, except near the bay where it would be near 70. I'll go with partly cloudy for most areas, 73 to 76. Very nice air. I'm excited for this air mass. Highs for February the 20th and 21st, that little blue line I painted, is obviously a cold front. Very large temperature differences. Birmingham in Alabama, where my mouse is down here, is looking about close to 80, and up near Memphis, it's looking near 40. So it's looking like a cold afternoon. Or it's not a cold, sorry. It's looking like a very large temperature difference between if you're southeast of the front or northwest of the front. Lows for the 20th and 21st, near 60. Except for Tuesday morning where it might be a little bit below that. Again, you can continue to just see that cold front below zero, and it is way, way, way very cold up in Minnesota and North Dakota where it's below zero in those areas. So Thursday the 22nd, temps will drop from around 65 to 40 in a matter of 12 hours. So falling temperatures on Thursday. You might be at 60 in the morning and 40 in the afternoon. That being said, lows on Thursday will be at around 40, maybe a little bit below that, because in the morning it should be near 60. Highs for Thursday, February the 22nd, you see that little nose of that warm air. That's why the cold front looks so oddly shaped. It looks like kind of a I don't know what it looks like, but it kind of looks like two separate cold fronts. But it's not that. It might just, I think it's just that is that's pretty weird though, a weird shape. But behind that cold front is going to be so much colder. The cold front on Thursday, sorry I painted this so wide, but obviously we're north of that front by 12Z, which would be about, we'll say 8 o'clock. So 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock, it's going to drop. Lows on February 22nd, well, we're going to say near 40 in most areas. Further north you go, the colder. This isn't a west-east situation, this is north-south. Friday air highs will be anywhere from 41 in Allegheny to 52 in St. Mary's and Charles. Again, no rain or snow is expected. We're in a very tread period again. This has been going on since the middle of January for most areas, and except for a few occasions. Our lows promise to be near 40 before yet another warm front comes through. Wow, we've had so many fronts. It's like springtime. The high on Friday looks to be around 45 to 50 for most areas, and you see that warm front in that black. The lows on Friday, you see that warm front in red. Wow, the lows look to be pretty warm down in the south. Inner cities may not get below 70 degrees, which that's going to be an awfully painful night. The temperature will be 62 to 68 and morning lows anywhere between 39 and 45 with no precip in the forecast. And that ends our slideshow for our presentation for the week. We will be back with our in-depth forecast sometime around the 25th, or on the 25th. Sorry. I will be back tomorrow with my video, with my 30 to 60 second video and my 2 to 6 minute video. So until then, I will see you later. Bye.